I started doing this thing before I start driving that I look at the news, what's happening throughout the day, and I found out two interesting news. One of them, it's about Roku stock. Apparently there's a massive enthusiasm about it. Does anybody know? Should I invest in it? Let me know in the comments below. The other one, it's very strange. Who does this one look like to you? Does it resemble anybody you know? Not to me. But if it does to you, let me know in the comments below as well. This really popular video game. It's called Myth Wukong. The game looks really cool. I don't really play games, but I'm interested to know what you guys think about it. I'm here today to talk to you about NIO Life. I'm going to show you how you can purchase products in the app. I'm going to also share my code so that you can get some extra points. Let's do this. Today I'm taking the opportunity to talk to you about NIO Life product. So NIO Life are products that are sold at the NIO app, and if you don't have the NIO app yet, I advise you to install it, and you can use my invitation code to get some extra points. Through the NIO Life app, you will be able to purchase some really cool NIO Life products. So of course, if you want to see them live, you could come to the NIO house and you can see the products displayed live. And some of them are designed by really famous designers like Tom Dixon in this case. I ordered recently some sneakers for my wife and she was really thrilled about it. So I totally advise you, check out the NIO app, flip through the products that they have available in Europe. They're incredible. You won't regret it. And if you go to NIO events, you'll notice that a lot of people are using actually NIO clothing, and it's an interesting take. Pay attention to that next time you go to a NIO event. One very popular NIO Life product is the water bottle. There are several colors. It's one of those things that NIOers collect. We want to have as many colors as possible. One of the products that you can purchase online are actually Blue Sky Lab products, and these are done with recycled materials. These are designed with a really strong focus on sustainability and reutilizing, recycled materials from the vehicle. So check this out. This sports bag is designed and has seat belts, has airbag material. It's really cool to integrate vehicle components into wearables or lifestyle products like that. So you can find the NIO app both in the App Store and the Google Store as well. In there you have access to everything. Posts from users, also have information about upcoming events in the NIO locations. You can get daily reward points as well. So if you remember to go to the app every day, you can collect some points as well. If it's your first time using the app, I'll give you my QR code and my invitation code. So with these two, you can either sign up for a test drive of a NIO vehicle and register an account, and you'll get extra points for that. And with those points, you'll be able to purchase NIO products. And that is it. I hope you liked it. A very short video today about NIO Life. I hope you register. Don't forget my invitation to sign up, and I'll see you again in my next video.